my name's Lisa from Family Gatherings. Today we are going to be doing a volcano. So the items that you will need will be a tray, a jar with some water, some baking soda, 1 cup of vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar. I have malt vinegar, some dish soap, some food coloring, a large spoon, and a teaspoon. You can use any kind of spoon or you can use a measuring teaspoon. I'm just using a regular spoon. So fill your jar up just a little over half. And you're going to put in 4 to 5 teaspoons of baking soda. So 1 uska, 2 degani, 3 asa, so I'm gonna, and 1 more, 4 gayeli. Then you're gonna put in a spoonful of dish soap. I'm gonna put it in there. You're going to do a quick stir. You're going to stir up all that baking soda in there. Okay, I think that's nicely stirred. And I think I'm going to do a blue volcano. And blue is Oluya. So you're going to add about 3 or 4 drops. 1 uska, 2 degani, 3 asa, 4 gayeli. Then you're going to stir that up again. And again, that's blue, Oluya. Now comes the fun part. Make sure that you have paper towel on hand because it can get a little bit messy, but messy's fun. You're going to add the 1 cup of vinegar. So you're going to slowly pour it in. And there's the volcano. So this is some simple science that you can do with your children at home. You can put see it all fizzing in the bubbles. And I'm going to pour some more in there. And that's it. Mona, I hope you had fun.